Hi everyone, welcome to the 277th episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Neha, Mass Communication and Journalism Department, 5th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This program is brought to you by Emporium Kolkata Vocational Training Institute, specializing in aviation, cruise lines, hospitality, tourism, and food and beverages courses. The headlines this week: NSS Orientation Programme 2026 to 2027 held for freshers. Special lecture on computer applications for social work. History beyond the classroom, Dr. Chettry inspires students. Christian students open semester with Solemn Eucharist. Management freshers visit Flame of Hope Orphanage. Alumnus Talks on advancement and Runtime Enforcement Frameworks. The news in detail. Siliguri NSS Orientation Programme 2026 to 2027 held for freshers. Anishka Thapa, Department of History, 3rd semester reports.
Salesian College Autonomous, Siliguri conducted the NSS Orientation Programme on 25th July 2026 for first and second year students interested in joining NSS Unit 2. It was attended by 26 students who expressed interest in becoming NSS volunteers, bringing the total participation to 45, including the current NSS volunteers. The session introduced students to the aims and objectives of National Service Scheme, its motto, "Not me, but you," and the wide range of activities available to volunteers. Students were briefed on on-campus and off-campus initiatives, including awareness programs, cleanliness and plantation drives, community service, annual camps, and 7-day special camps. The orientation also emphasized the values of teamwork, leadership, discipline, and social responsibility. It concluded with an interactive session where students clarified their doubts and learned more about becoming NSS volunteers.
Anishka Thapa reporting. Siliguri Special Lecture on Computer Applications for Social Work. Sundas, BSW Department, 1st semester reports.
The Social Work Department, Salesian College Siliguri, conducted a special lecture on computer applications for social work, basics of MS Office for BSW students. The session was led by Mr. Shagun Thakur, Assistant Professor from BCA Department. The lecture introduced the practical use of Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint in social work practice. Mr. Ghosh explained how Excel supports data management, case records, project tracking, and basic calculations. He demonstrated mail merge in Word for preparing personalized certificates, letters, and official documents using an Excel database. Students also learned the basics of PowerPoint for effective presentations and were introduced to Canva for designing professional slides. The lectures proved informative and practical, equipping BSW students with valuable digital knowledge for fieldwork, internship, and future professional practice.
Sundas reporting. Siliguri History Beyond the Classroom, Dr. Chettry inspires students. Shagun Thakur, Department of History, 5th semester reports.
Salesian College Department of History, in collaboration with the IQAC, hosted a special guest lecture by Dr. Anishka Thapa on the theme Beyond Teaching, Careers in History on 24 July 2026. Siliguri College History Department Head Dr. Chhetri shared personal experiences from his college days and his journey into choosing history as his discipline. He urged students to move beyond rote learning towards genuine understanding, while outlining diverse career paths in research, doctoral studies, government service, teaching, and the corporate sector. Highlighting opportunities in heritage conservation and interdisciplinary study, he stressed the importance of confidence, articulation, and strong communication skills. The lecture concluded with an interactive Q&A session followed by a vote of thanks from Dr. Anukta Gairola, Head of Department of History.
Shagun Thakur reporting. You are listening to Campus This Week on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Siliguri. Christian students open semester with Solemn Eucharist. Gunjan Chhetri, Department of English, 3rd semester reports.
Salesian College Autonomous, Siliguri, inaugurated the academic year 2026 to 2027 with the Eucharistic celebration for Christian students 24 July at the College Chapel. Father Dr. Tommy Augustine, Rector of Salesian College Siliguri and Controller of Examinations for both Siliguri and Sonada campuses, presided over the liturgy. He encouraged students to begin the semester with faith, hope and dedication. Christian students, who form a small minority of colleges, 1800 plus enrollment, joined Christian faculty members in the prayerful celebration. Over 80 students from the first 3 years participated, about 4.4% of the student body, making the Eucharist or Solemn an inspiring start to the new academic session.
Gunjan Chhetri reporting. Siliguri. Management freshers visit Flame of Hope Orphanage. Shrishti Gurung, BBA Department, 1st semester reports.
As a part of students' induction program under the AICTE framework, BBA Semester 1 students of the Department of Management Studies, Salesian College, visited the Flame of Hope Orphanage at Matigara on 23rd July 2026. The outreach initiative aimed to instill values of empathy, social responsibility, and community engagement among the newly admitted students. During the visit, the students interacted warmly with the children through games, conversations, and recreational activities, creating an atmosphere of joy and companionship. They also donated essential items and refreshments, bringing smiles to the faces of the children. Faculty members accompanying the group emphasized the importance of experiential learning and encouraged students to grow into socially responsible future managers. The visit marked a meaningful beginning to the academic journey, reinforcing the values of compassion, service, and responsible citizenship.
Shrishti Gurung reporting. Siliguri. Alumnus Talks on Advancement in Runtime Enforcement Frameworks. Preksha Bothra, BCA Department, 5th semester reports.
The Department of Computer Science and Applications, Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri Campus, in association with IQAC, hosted an alumni talk featuring Mr. Ayush Anand, Distinguished Alumnus Batch 2017-2020 and PhD scholar at IIT Bhubaneswar. He joined the program virtually. The session opened with an invocation by Vice Principal of Sciences, Father C.M. Paul, followed by a welcome address from Head of Department, Mr. Dhiru Datta Subba. Mr. Tanay Bhadra introduced the speaker, who delivered an insightful lecture on advancements in runtime enforcement framework for reactive systems. Mr. Anand highlighted emerging research in runtime verification and enforcement, stressing their importance in building reliable and secure reactive systems. The program concluded with a vote of thanks by Mr. Subhajit Bose and a group vote.
Preksha Bothra reporting. That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salesian. This program was brought to you by Emporium Kolkata Vocational Training Institute, specializing in aviation, cruise lines, hospitality, tourism, and food and beverages courses. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.